Hey everyone, good morning. So for today I have three hand picks for you guys. Now all the three suit sets are in these salwars, and all the three are in the base of kota with different work, different color combination and different styles of designing on the top. So let's just go through one by one. The first one here I have is this lovely combination of dark reddish maroon. It's in a beautiful reddish maroon color, and the color is slightly different in the video, but it's a beautiful shade, beautiful dark reddish maroon. Okay, it's a combination of red and maroon, and the top is in kota, and you have this tepchi thread work running all through the top, as you are familiar with these type of suit sets. Now the difference that this particular set comes with is this yoke portion, where you have this soft linen cotton printed indigo yoke with sequins mirror, quite different from the earlier varieties of these kota tepchi collections. Now your neck can be designed in this area, and so this is your yoke in indigo blue, and you have soft cotton bottom as always, a very nice soft cotton bottom, which you can convert it into your cigar bottom, parallels or salwar or of your choice. Now the dupatta is in this lovely mull cotton. It's in this indigo mull cotton, and this is your dupatta for this suit set. It's a lovely dupatta, soft, comfortable dupatta. So this is your first suit set. Now what I really like about this set is the color combination and the variety in the design that they've given. I really like that, which is quite different from the normal tepchi collections that come in. So that's the first set for you guys in this reddish maroon and indigo blue. Now the second one in this lovely onion pink. I can tell you this is a shade of dark onion pink, a beautiful elegant subtle color. It's not a bright dark shade, it's a very subtle color, but absolutely elegant. As you can see, this is also in silky kota fabric, but it has this hakoba cut work on the top, and there is also a self design on the top. Okay, self design, I mean these designs, that's a self design on the top. There is scalloping given, so you can use them for your sleeve ends and also as per your design. Now there is this block printing of green coming on the top. I'm going to just open this out for you. Now you have, this is the yoke portion. As you see, you have this lovely moss green block prints given for the yoke, and also these kind of block prints are there on the body here and there. Okay, and the bottom is in this lovely soft cotton, again moss green shade. The green color is not right in the video, it's a more pleasant subtle green, a nice green color. And the dupatta is also in this combination of moss green and this onion pink. This is the body of the dupatta with self design on it, and both the borders have this hakoba cut work portion, just as you see on the top. So that's the dupatta's bordering. So you have that piece of hakoba cut work, kota work on that entire border of the dupatta. So this is like a very pretty elegant piece, subtle and beautiful. So that's the second combination in kota for you guys. And the third one is this absolutely lovely, pleasant, absolutely summery toned peach color set. Again, this is in kota, but completely thread worked. As you can see, the whole top is thread worked like this, and you have this just like the previous top, you have these green block prints for the yoke, small pretty block prints for the yoke, and they have also given separately for the back portion and also for the sleeves. So that's the top for this set. Okay, it's a beautiful thread worked peach color top with the bottom again in a beautiful green soft cotton, and dupatta is in this kota silk printed dupatta. As you can see, there is self design on the body, and you also have the peach printed combination as you see on the top for the dupatta. So this is the third combination in kota, a beautiful peach and beautiful green combination. The color is slightly different in the video. For the green shade, it's a very pleasant green, a subtle tone but a pleasant one. So these are the 3 suit set for you guys for today. You can take a look at the picture posting and then get back to me on WhatsApp to know the price and also to do your booking. So take care guys, stay safe and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.